Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the problem when one earbud not working on your headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. First, try putting the headphones in the case, close it and open again. Next, if it doesn't help you, check if the case is charged, because it may not be able to charge one headphones of this. So open application and check battery level of your case right here. If that doesn't help either, try to clean contacts. To clean the contacts, we will need a brush like this. Now turn the headphone over and use the brush like I did. Do it the same things with another headphone. Now let's move to the charging case. So cover the brush with the cloth and make circular motions. Right here. With the left one and the right one. Finally, if it doesn't help you either, try to reset your headphones. So you should again open application, scroll down, click on earbud settings and click on reset and reset again. Then close the case, open it again, click on start, then press and hold connectional button until you can see that LED is flashing. Right here, and then click on Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Pair. Continue. Next. Next. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!